Hey crypto fans, welcome back here with more news on the Bitcoin, and today we're looking into more price predictions, price analysis, and all the updates that we have on the coin. Why is it about to triple in the price, and what's the next price positions after that, before the Bitcoin ETF approved and before the actual halving. What do we see, what do we have, and what do we should expect? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's start with the news we have for today. If you want to turn $100 into 1,000 to 100k to 1 million, you don't need to invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum. You need altcoins, especially low caps, to make that kind of money. All I'm saying, yes, I agree with this one, 1,000, 1 million%, and how to do that, I don't know. You need to understand it yourself, because no one will tell you how to get rich, and no one, not a single person in the world will tell you how to get rich, and you need to find it by yourself. But I can only give you some advices that you can stay with. Bitcoin is good for as a store of value. You can put your coins in when you don't know what to invest in, and when you are afraid in investing because you think that the price will go down and you will lose on a spot trading. So when you know that, you put it back into Bitcoin. Even if Bitcoin falls, it doesn't fall that much if the altcoin that you would invest in would fall that much. So you put it in a Bitcoin, wait for some time till you're sure that you want to invest in something, then sell your Bitcoin, go into that coin, and it will make 20x. Well, Bitcoin will grow like 2x. After losing like 20, 30, 50% on the Bitcoin, it could have been 90% loss on an altcoin you would invest, and it would have made you even less than the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is good for a store of value, and other altcoin that you put in then grows for 20x, especially when Bitcoin goes for 2x. Then you invest back, like you sell your altcoin for 20x, you get a lot of money from it, you invest back into Bitcoin, and you're now from like $100, you're to $2,000, you put back into Bitcoin, it drops 20-30%, you lose like $300. Then you invest back into some altcoin that you are sure is going to pump, it's going back to like 30x, let's say, and you are already at around like $60,000 or something like that, like $50,000, and you invest back into Bitcoin to store value, and you won't lose that much. That's how you're going to get to your $1 million goal. Okay, you need to be optimism maxim. You need to be bullish as fuck. Fully convicted Bitcoin is going to $1 million. See yourself as a future billionaire. Listen to doom peddlers for entertainment purposes only. Laugh at their fear. Know that everything is going to work out for you. Whether it's kind or cash crate redemption, the spot Bitcoin ETF will hold spot Bitcoin ETF. There are 3 phases to an ETF. Phase 1, capital injection. Phase 2, holding the asset. Phase 3, capital extraction. And the cash versus in-kind bait is only for phase 1 and 3. In phase 2, they must hold the spot Bitcoin. Stop with the misinformation or straight up dumb takes. Chamber of Digital Commerce CEO, our foreign valuation models put Bitcoin between 100,000 to 210,000 today, with a $1 million per Bitcoin possible by the end of the 2029. Did you know that 70% of all the Bitcoin hasn't moved in over a year? On-chain data for Bitcoin continues to impress, showing a positive outlook. Long-term holders are refraining from profit-taking despite a recent price surge. Exchange balances remain depleted, with a 2.3 million Bitcoin out of 21 million for purchase. Supply scarcity, strong hodlers. However, it's worth noting that more than 85% of Bitcoin addresses are currently in a profit, indicating a potential for profit-taking if prices move higher. New Bloomberg senior ETF analyst Eric Balchunas says that SEC is ready to approve spot Bitcoin ETFs if application do cash crates and have signed agreement for authorized participants. Also, Bitcoin and tech stocks are no longer in sync. The correlation confidence coefficient has stopped to 0 for the first time ever. And is this the start of a new era for crypto? You need to understand if it actually is or not. But I guess like it actually is. This is a call to all the UK Bitcoin lurkers. 2024 is your year. Get involved with the community. We need you. Bring yourself and your families. Find your nearest meetup on our website. Get involved. Amazing things will happen when you meet other like-minded individuals. This is all the information we got so far. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.